Hello friends, welcome to BITA Academy. Today we are going to discuss what is set operation. So in set we can have a multiple mathematical operations: union, intersection, intersection update and difference. So this operation can be done with the operator or a methods. First we will see what is union. So this union operator is performed between two sets. So it is used to combine two sets. This can be done by using the pipeline set. For example, we have a two set. So we know that in set we can able to store different types of set. So as of now we are taking only integer value. By using pipeline side, I am combining both sets. Either we can use this sign or we can use this word union. So both will produce the same result. Okay, this is union operation. Intersection. So what is intersection? It is used to combine two sets and it will find out the common element from the given set. Okay, so which is a common element from the given set by using the ampersand sign. For example, so from this two sets, which is a common element. So instead of pipeline sign, we have to use this ampersand operator. So we have to use intersection. So 2 and 3 is a common element among the set 1 and set 2. Next one is intersection update. So intersection update is between two sets. Intersection update, it will remove the unwanted item from the original set. Okay, that are not available from the both sets. So it won't create the new set from that, it will modify the original set. But intersection method, it will create the new set. For example, so we have this set 1 and set 2. If I execute this, you will get the result as null because it won't create any new set. Okay, this is what we are getting a result as null. So it will modify the original set. Original set means that is set 1. So we have to print this set 1 as well as set 2. So in set 1 only it will modify. So what is your common element? That only we have in set 1. Remaining all the unwanted element will be removed from the set 1. But in set 2, all the element will be same. Okay. But if you go for the intersection, nothing will be changed here. So set 1 and set 2, both are same, whatever the input we provide. So that is the difference between intersection and intersection update. So next is difference between two sets. So if you want to know the difference between two sets, we can use this minus sign. So what will happen if you use this minus sign? It will remove the common element from the both the sets. For example, so we have this set 1 and set 2. Set 1 minus set 2 print. So 2, 3 is your common element, test removed, and 1, 4, 5 is your remaining element. Okay, it will be printed. That is your difference between set 1 and set. So in upcoming video, we will discuss what is dictionary data type. Thank you guys.